Alex Becker, SaaS. Iman Gaji, SaaS. Sam Ovens, SaaS. Even Alex Hermosi made a $60 million exit selling SaaS. Today, we're diving into 3 ways no-code SaaS can make you rich in 2024. Hi, I'm AI Chick, and if you're new here, welcome to the future. On this channel, I will show you how to make money with AI and level up your digital game. If that sounds like your thing, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any game-changing tips. Let's get started and make some magic happen. It's common knowledge that software is the best business model due to its high leverage. You build the application once and then sell it infinitely without added costs. Plus, you benefit from monthly recurring revenue, where customers pay you every month. SaaS companies are also famous for selling at 5 to 10 times multiples of their revenue. So, if you make $5,000 a month in recurring revenue or $60,000 a year, you now have a $300,000 business you can exit from whenever. Imagine getting 100 customers to pay you $50 per month. That's a $300,000 asset right there. Sounds reasonable, right? So, it's safe to say software is by far the best business model. Otherwise, why would all these big names focus so heavily on it? Now, with no-code software builders, you can create SaaS without coding. Of course, you'll need to learn a new skill. But why not learn the best business model instead of just the best model for beginners? The upside potential is so much greater. If you have an idea for an app, you can start building your SaaS today with 0 technical skills using a tool called Bubble. With Bubble, you can leverage pre-made templates to kickstart your software, skipping the need to write code. Think of Bubble like Shopify. While Shopify helps you create online stores without code, Bubble lets you build software apps the same way. You can build fully functional apps like Airbnb or Uber using simple drag-and-drop features. It's democratized software development for non-technical people like me, and the opportunity is immense. You might wonder why people still talk about dropshipping, social media marketing agencies, or selling on Amazon when software is such a lucrative option. The main reason is that creating software used to be expensive. You'd have to hire a developer, costing up to $10,000 a month, and even then, it could take a long time for your idea to come to life, if it even worked out at all. That's why beginner-friendly models like dropshipping, Amazon FBA, and social media agencies became popular. They required less investment and time to get started. But these same features also make them incredibly competitive and harder to succeed in. However, things have changed with the no-code tools available today. It's never been cheaper or faster to build software. If you have an idea, you can whip it up in days, and it's easy to tweak and add features as needed. It's fascinating that not many people are talking about building software, even though most YouTubers with businesses are running SaaS companies themselves. In short, making apps has become faster, cheaper, and far more accessible thanks to no-code tools. You no longer need a huge investment or a computer science degree to get started with software. And it gets even better with AI. By connecting OpenAI's GPT-4 API to Bubble, you can make your software even more powerful. For example, consider Tweet Hunter, which recently sold for millions after just 1 year in business. Their software is simple. It analyzes your tweets, uses GPT-4 to generate new tweets similar to your previous ones, and helps grow your Twitter following. I've mentioned the term API a few times, so if you're unsure what that means, it's simply a way to connect different software programs. Think of it like this. You're the customer at a restaurant, and the API is like a waiter who takes your order, sends it to the kitchen, GPT-4, and brings the food, AI-generated content back to you. APIs make it easy to connect GPT-4 to your software app and perform tasks like generating tweets on demand. So, how does this apply to SaaS? Well, Tweet Hunter used this setup to help users grow their Twitter accounts, and with clever marketing, they were able to sell for 8 figures in just 18 months. All they did was find a niche use case and build a product around it using Bubble. But that's just one way to make money with no-code software. The second way is more complex, but the opportunity is massive. If you understand what I explain next, you'll be set for life. Most businesses use multiple software tools for project management, CRM, and customer support, like Trello, Salesforce, and Zendesk. Managing data across these platforms can be inefficient and lead to communication gaps. But with Bubble and Make.com, you can integrate all these tools into a single platform, creating a unified view for everything. Think of it like building a car. Make.com serves as the engine that connects everything, while Bubble creates the body, user interface, and billing system. With no code required, you can combine these different tools into a central dashboard. This allows businesses to manage tasks, sales leads, and customer support tickets all in one place. You can even create an analytics page that generates weekly reports automatically. This setup has transformed our company's productivity. Lastly, the third way to profit with no-code SaaS is through advanced AI automation. My team recently helped a real estate company that uses 9 different tools for daily operations. By creating a unified dashboard with Bubble and Make.com, we saved them 30% of their time. Now, we're adding AI to improve it further. Once perfected, we plan to sell it as a B2B solution to other real estate companies, charging thousands per month because of the value it offers. In conclusion, no-code platforms like Bubble are revolutionizing the way businesses operate. Whether you're a business owner or an aspiring entrepreneur, learning these tools will give you a valuable skill set that'll keep you in demand for years to come. If you're interested in learning more, check out the free Google Doc linked below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.